Welcome to the channel. I got this camera as a gift when I bought a lens. At first glance it was not appealing to me because there is no aperture in it, but it is a Zuiko, so I was curious about the quality. To get a little more depth of field, I built an old aperture behind the lens. All guessed without taking into account the distance the lens was in the original camera. That was ultimately much too far, resulting in a very small macro lens. Lens had to be stopped down a lot to get some acceptable depth of field and the best possible sharpness. I was forced to shoot only macro. After a rain shower in the garden, I saw remarkable images through the lens. Despite the fact that everything is not very sharp, I'm still satisfied with the results. And it was a fun project to still be able to use such an old rangefinder camera lens.